another long night of crime and violence.
Some say it's only a matter of time before the city implodes.
Kicking off our list at number 10 is Samaritan. Sylvester Stallone stars as an aging vigilante hiding in plain sight. Granite City is overrun with crime.
Found him. Samaritan.
And while most believe he's dead, one teenager suspects otherwise. When the criminal underworld crosses the line, Samaritan emerges, battered, relentless, and ready to dish out justice. The film is gritty, minimal in dialogue, but every punch hits like a hammer. You feel the weight of every blow and the exhaustion of a man who's carried the city's sins for decades. This is quiet, powerful, old-school action in a modern setting.
He's hiding something. I want him dead.
Really? Try this.
Desertion ist Verrat, Lanze. Verrat Führer. Verrat Vaterland.
At number 9, we've got Blood and Gold. This German action war thriller is set during the last days of World War II, following a weary German deserter who crosses paths with a ruthless squad of SS soldiers searching for hidden treasure. The violence is raw, the visuals stunning. Think Inglorious Bastards meets Sisu. Every gunshot feels personal, and the fight choreography has that same brutal precision fans of Sisu crave.
I need to report a crime.
At number 8 is Rebel Ridge. Set in rural America, this action thriller follows a war veteran returning home to find his town overrun by a corrupt political regime. The protagonist becomes a one-man resistance, using strategy, firearms, and sheer force to dismantle the enemy. Gritty, violent, and unflinching, every fight scene keeps you on edge. From backwoods shootouts to tense standoffs, Rebel Ridge captures the spirit of a lone hero against overwhelming odds, making it a perfect addition to our list.
Let's not do that. These cops ain't never gonna be safe. End up on top any more outs.
Down! He does not get back up! Does he go?
Got another head.
Prepare to breathe!
No! No! Come on, go, go, go!
At number 7 is One More Shot, starring Scott Adkins and Michael Jai White. A hostage situation in an airport escalates into non-stop combat.
This isn't just a terrorist attack, this is something more than that.
The long single-take fight sequences are masterclasses in martial arts and practical stunt work. Each punch, kick, and gunshot is choreographed for maximum impact. This is pure, relentless, adrenaline-fueled action for fans of one-man army thrillers.
Goes off, everybody's dead.
We need to find Manson.
No Manson, no coke.
Take him out! Have you got a visual?
He's lying.
You can't stop this. It's too big.
What have you done?
I think we should wait for the cavalry.
I have to stop this.
Coming in at number 6, we have Headshot. Iko Uwais delivers non-stop martial arts carnage as an amnesiac man seeking revenge. Every fight scene, from hospital corridors to city streets, is brutal and unforgettable. This is Southeast Asian cinema at its most violent, combining skill, speed, and sheer force. Headshot is a perfect mix of technical martial arts and raw brutality.
I died once. I won't die again.
At number 5 is Silent Night. Joel Kinnaman plays a man caught in a gang shootout that leaves his family dead. The film is almost entirely dialogue-free, letting action tell the story. Urban shootouts, hand-to-hand combat, and tense ambushes unfold like a deadly dance. Every strike feels weighted, every bullet counts. Silent Night is revenge storytelling distilled into pure cinematic violence.
I find music a useful distraction. A focus tool. Keeps the inner voice from wandering.
Number 4 is The Killer, directed by David Fincher. This film follows a methodical assassin whose mission goes wrong, forcing him to confront impossible odds. The action is precise, stylish, and merciless. You watch a lone man take down his targets with calculated efficiency. Minimal exposition, maximum tension, and relentless cold-blooded action. This is one-man army cinema at its finest.
Don't give a
Please.
fight only paid to fight. Calm, breathe. This is what it takes.
3 perps are dead. Also killed was his wife.
At number 3, we have Without Remorse, starring Michael B. Jordan. Navy SEAL John Clark is drawn into a brutal revenge mission after his pregnant wife is murdered. What begins as a personal vendetta spirals into a deadly fight against a global conspiracy. Gunfights, tactical infiltration, and hand-to-hand combat dominate. Clark is unstoppable, methodical, and merciless. Every sequence is designed to show just how lethal one man can be against overwhelming odds.
He was supposed to be dead.
Give me a name. Give me a name.
We're in the middle of a drug lab.
We need to get out of here.
Mr. Gunner, I have your boy.
Number 2 on our list is Gunner. Liam Hemsworth stars as an ex-Special Forces operative whose rescue mission goes horribly wrong. Alone, outnumbered, and outgunned, he fights through waves of enemies, using every skill at his disposal. Explosions, hand-to-hand combat, and intense firefights make this a pulse-pounding thrill ride. Gunner is the embodiment of one man against the world. A true modern brutal action movie.
You're gonna hog that? Die. You're gonna want him to kill you.
Everybody get out!
It's a lot of killing for one man.
You were having a very pleasant day. Blessed. Then someone rains on our parade. They removed one cancer just to find another.
It's not the conversation we should be having right now.
And finally, at number 1 is Land of Bad. Starring Liam Hemsworth and Russell Crowe, this Delta Force extraction mission goes horribly wrong. One man is left in hostile territory, facing ambushes, gunfire, and betrayal. Every moment is survival. Every decision could be his last. Jungle combat, explosions, and tactical warfare create a relentless thrill ride. Land of Bad is pure survival action, the ultimate one-man army story, and the perfect number 1 for fans of Sisu-style violence and determination.
I'm ready.
RPG, 12 o'clock, incoming!
Weapons away.
Blackbird, can you stay?